Hi guys, today we are going to take a helicopter ride all the way in Mount Tremblant. This Heli Tremblant is located 2 hours away from Ottawa. I'm taking the ride there and here we go. This helicopter tour is throughout the year, even on winter time. 4 people can travel in this helicopter, including the pilot. You can choose different packages in this depending on the number of hours or minutes that you want to fly. Happy Valentine's Day! So this is going to be a surprise Valentine's Day gift. Look at him, so scared! Hi! We are getting started with the tour and yeah, ready for the takeoff! Oh my god! So majestic, look at the view! Crossing these villages, we are going to see the Mount Tremblant. Now he seems a little okay. The pilot says that this is the old Mount Tremblant region. It's all covered with snow. So pick me up when you're done. We are heading back now. It was a beautiful day. Hey, hold on. The video is not over yet. We are about to explore the Tremblant market too. This helicopter ride is in both Ottawa as well as Mount Tremblant regions. I chose this particular destination in Mount Tremblant because of the majestic view, and also this spot was available on Feb 14th, which is Valentine's Day. It was such a beautiful trip. I love the experience of traveling in a helicopter. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned, let's explore the Mount Tremblant market. Tour de helicopter, everything is in French. In Quebec, this is the market. So many people do snowboarding, skiing and lot of other winter activities. This is a must-visit place if you are traveling to Quebec, Ottawa or Montreal or anywhere close by. Thank you all for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. See you all in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day.